Hi guys, I'm Victor. So on my beside is a Toyota Vios, and this is a second generation Vios. It's my father's daily drive. Yeah, and this car I have some work to do. It is a front headlight restoration and also the fog lamps. Also, I have do some work on the interior on the latest video. Yeah, so stay tuned. And also, what about this car? I have a message mileage on it, which is 300,000 kilometers. Yeah, she's a Toyota, so that's very usual. So without any further ado, let's jump into work. So here's a car. Well, so here is the car, and here's a headlamp. Yeah. So I need to polish it. Yeah. And as you can see, I already tried out polish on the headlamp. You can clearly see the line over here. So here's a before, and here's a after. You can see the difference totally. And another one I haven't polished yet, and later I will take off these two headlamp and polish it. Yeah, also another one thing I need to do is changing the bulb from the fog lamps. Yeah, this is another side, but you can see the fog lamp of the driver's side is very clear. Yeah, and another side is going very weird because you can see here's a reflector inside. I guess it have something hit into the manga and broke the headlamp, fog lamp, sorry. It will be like very weird because it's getting the water inside before. Here is a bolt of that side I take out previously, very long time ago. Yeah, you can clearly see it's broke out. Yeah, here is another one. Condition is perfect. Yeah, and this I already replaced it with a pair of LED bulb. Yeah. What if I turn on the lights? As you can see, the side of the bulb is become dimmer. So here is a reason I need to replace the fog lamp bulb one more time. So what a plan of this episode is, I will taking off this bumper, yeah, and taking out these two headlamps. Well, so here's a replacement of the fog lamps. Yeah, so let's jump it. Okay, so I pull out the bumper already, and don't forget to disconnect the wire from the fog lamp. So just need to press it, and it's come right off, as well as other side. Yeah. Okay, so here is the parts of the car front end. I will polish this headlamp first and then replace the fog lamps, and we are done. Yeah, so the headlamp is here, and I will polish it with a polish compound. And before I do that, I will wipe the headlamp with a microfiber cloth and wipe it off, and I will polish it to make the foggy side clear. After I polish it, I will do a waxing to the headlamp to make sure it not be a yellow again or oxidation. I will also check the bulbs of the headlamps to make sure don't have any problem on it before we install it back to the car. And the passenger side headlamp is done. Now we turn to the driver's side headlamp. This one is not for Vios and also same process as passenger side headlamp. So after I polish the headlamps, I will take off the fog lamps as well. And as you can see, the LED fog lamps bulbs is very rusty, and I will take out the fog lamps from the bumper too because I want to tidy up them. So I will do the same process as the headlamps. And after I done, I will install the bulbs into the fog lamps. And they will be like this. And now I will install the fog lamps back to the bumper, and it's ready to put everything together. So at this step, I will install the headlamps and also the front bumper back to the car. And I will test the lights of the headlamp before I install the bumper. and I will test all of the lights once again after I install everything together. So that's it for the front end restoration. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you wanna follow my channel to watch other videos and subscribe me, yeah. And also if you guys have any question, can comment down below. And that's it, I'm Victor. I will see you guys at the next video. Peace out.